In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add track to BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, open the studio, add a track, and make a quick recording, all inside your web browser. First, head to bandlab.com. When the home page loads, look for the login button, usually at the top right, and click it. On the sign-in screen, choose the option to continue with Google. This walkthrough uses Google because it's quick and convenient, but use whichever login you already set up if you prefer. Select your Google account, review the prompt, and click Continue to proceed. If your browser asks for permission to use your microphone later, be ready to allow it so BandLab can capture audio. Once you're signed in and on the BandLab feed, open the BandLab menu. From there, click Studio. Studio is BandLab's online digital audio workstation where you can record, arrange, and produce right in the cloud. It may take a moment to load, especially the first time, so give it a second. Inside Studio, click Add Track. This opens the track type chooser. For this demo, pick Voice, Audio. That option is perfect for recording vocals, spoken word, or any live instrument through a microphone or an audio interface. You'll also see other options like instruments, drums, sampler, or guitar, which are great for MIDI parts, loop-based beats, and amp sim recordings. But we'll stick with voice/audio here so you can get recording right away. After creating the track, glance at the track header to confirm your input source looks correct. If you're using a built-in mic, you'll typically see it selected automatically. With an audio interface, make sure the right input channel is active. If you notice very low or very hot levels, adjust your input gain on the interface or move a bit closer or farther from the mic to keep the meter in a healthy range without clipping. Now you're ready to capture a take. Click the record button to start recording. You may hear a brief count in before it begins depending on your settings. Perform your part, speak, sing, or play, and keep your performance consistent so the waveform records clearly. When you're done, click stop to end the take. You'll see the recording appear in the timeline on your voice/audio track. Menu layouts and on-screen controls can vary slightly based on the type of track you added, but the record and stop controls work the same way. That's it. You've logged in, opened Studio, added a voice, audio track, recorded, and stopped your take. Rewatch any section if you need a refresher, and you'll be ready to build out your project in no time.